Project governance is the system of rules, practices, and processes that are used to ensure that a project is aligned with the organization's strategic objectives and that it is delivered successfully. Project governance is typically concerned with the oversight and control of projects, including the management of risks, the allocation of resources, and the decision-making processes used to guide the project. Project governance can involve a wide range of stakeholders, including senior management, project sponsors, project managers, and other team members. It is typically the responsibility of project management office or any other governance body to oversee and coordinate project governance activities. There are several key elements of project governance that include a clear set of roles and responsibilities, a defined decision-making process, a system for monitoring and controlling the project, a system for managing risks, a system for communication and stakeholder engagement. Organizational governance refers to the system of rules, practices, and processes that are used to guide and control the action of an organization. It is the way in which an organization is directed and controlled, including the distribution of power and responsibilities among different parties such as the board of directors, executives, and stakeholders. Organizational governance is concerned with ensuring that an organization is aligned with its mission and values and that it is accountable to its stakeholders. It involves establishing clear roles, responsibilities, setting policies and procedures, and establishing a system for decision making and control. There are several key elements of organizational governance that include a clear set of values and objectives, a defined structure and decision-making process, a system for accountability and transparency, a system for risk management, a system for communication and stakeholders engagement. According to PMBOK, organizational governance is defined as the system by which an organization is directed and controlled. It includes the policies and processes and rules that are used to guide the actions of the organization and ensure that it is aligned with its mission and values. Project governance, according to PMBOK, refers to the system of rules, practices, and processes used to ensure that a project is aligned with the organization's strategic objectives and that it is delivered successfully. It includes the oversight and control of projects, including the management of risk, the allocation of resources, and the decision-making processes used to guide the project. Now, PMBOK recognizes that organizational governance and project governance are closely interconnected, with organizational governance providing the overall framework for project governance. For example, an organization's mission and values will influence the goals and objectives of individual projects, and the organizational governance process will set the overall direction and priorities for the project portfolio. PMBOK also emphasizes the importance of effective communication and stakeholders' engagement in both organizational governance and project governance. This includes regular updates and progress reports, as well as involvement of key stakeholders in decision-making processes. Organizers have high-level strategic goals. Organizational governance aims to meet these goals. To meet these high-level strategic goals, there should be a high-level roadmap. This high-level roadmap includes procedures, standards, and policies. The overall structure of the organization is based according to this roadmap, and organizational governance ensures all of the work within the organization is done according to these procedures, standards, and policies. Project governance, on the other hand, provides the project team with policies, processes, decision-making models, and tools to administer the project. A project management office may provide and execute the project governance. See you in the next lecture.